Delta 844, turn left heading 280, 10 miles from Zula, maintain 3000 total south, still immobilizer, cleared ILS 931 right approach.
Heading 280, maintain 3000 total south, cleared ILS 31 right approach, Delta 844.
Delta 844, contact Canadian Tower, 11941, good day.
91, Delta 844, good day. Tower, Delta 844, ILS 31 right.
Delta 844, Kennedy Tower, following heavy Boeing 787, 7.5 miles ahead, caution lake turbulence, RVR 4000, wind 240 at 15, runway 31 right, cleared the land.
Clear right, code 9, Delta 844. Delta 844, we're going around.
Delta 844, roger, you can maintain your present altitude and turn left heading 270.
Left 270, present altitude, Delta 844.
Delta 844, I need you to maintain 3000 if you can.
Yeah, 3000, Delta 844.
Delta 844, do you have a reason for the missed approach?
Yeah, we had, I think it's some weight turbulence or something. We kind of rolled, so we're getting unstable, Delta 844.
All right, Delta 844, contact New York 125.7.
25.7. Yeah, we got about a 40-degree left roll in that weight turbulence for Delta 844.
Approach Delta 844, 3000, heading 270.
Delta 844, near approach, roger, turn left heading 130. You guys ready to go back in?
130, and we're ready to go back in, Delta 844.
Delta 844, roger, plan ILS 3 on right again.
ILS 3 on right, Delta 844.
Delta 844, you'll be following an Airbus 320 this time.
Copy.
Delta 844, turn left 040.
040, Delta 844.
Delta 844, you're 10 miles from Zulab. Turn left heading 340. Descend and maintain 2,000 full steps on localizer. Clear ILS runway 31 right approach.
Heading 340, 2000 total south, clear ILS 31 right approach, Delta 844.
Delta 844, speed 170 to Zulab. Contact tower 191, good day.
170 Zulab over tower, Delta 1844. Tower, Delta 844, ILS 31 right.
Delta 844, Kennedy Tower, 4.5 miles in trail by an Airbus 321, runway 3 right RVR 4000, runway 3 on right, clear to line.
Clear right, clear line, Delta 844.
Delta 844, I have a question for you. Any related injuries to the roll?
Negative, Delta 844.
Delta 844, exit Whiskey, taxi left Alpha behind that JetBlue and monitor ground.
Whiskey Alpha behind JetBlue, monitor ground, Delta 844.
Delta 844?
844, go ahead.
Yes, if there happen to have been any injuries that you find out afterwards, can you please give the tower a call? I'll have a number for you.
Stand by. All right, what you got? Am I ready to copy?
Yep, it's
Yeah, that was a very gradual, small roll. And it happened about 2 or 3 times. We thought we lost localizers in all then, that we were told we're flying heavy. And we figured it out.
okay. I just passed that information along to the controller working in the back. And we have to file paperwork on it just because you did go around because of the wake turbulence. So if there are any injuries, we just want to add that to the paperwork.
All right, no problem. Thanks.